Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a resume photo in Canva template. So here, let's say you want to create a resume by using the templates on Canva. Just click on the search column first and find the resume template. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the templates already come with a photo, a random person or a random man or woman photo like this, and how you can change it into your own photo. First, just select the templates that you want. So let's say I want to use this templates right here. Just click on the template. Here, select the photo and you'll find the replace option in the bottom. Just add your photos. Here I'm going to just add, okay, for example, this was right here, and you can see the position is not quite right, so just double click on the photo and adjust the position. Drag it like this and you are done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.